Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a course available even if you are offline in the 10% application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the courses button at the bottom of the page. Next, just click on any course that you want to set available when you're offline, and then just click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right, and then look for the available offline section. And if you click on the white circle next to it and it turns red, it means that this course will be available when you're offline. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.